Hey everyone, my name is Yusef, and today I want to show you guys something that I've built for myself, and hopefully that could be useful for you guys as well when it comes to creating content, and more specifically, creating all of the thumbnails, the descriptions, the titles for YouTube videos. So let me show you what I've built. Essentially, you log into this app, right? And you can log in with Google or whatever you need. And what happens is that you see here on the homepage all of your videos. Right now, I don't have any videos, so there's no videos found, but I can go to create and I need to paste my transcript. So I'm going to put in the transcript of the first video that I've made on my YouTube channel, which is the one where I teach you how to create your own AI image model based on the pictures of a person or a product. I'm going to paste that in here. Now I'm going to open up my terminal and I'm going to write Olama Sir. Olama, for those of you who don't know, is a way to host and run large language models on your own device. I'm actually going to be running a server on my computer, which I can hit with an API. Let me run that. And now I'm opening DrawThings and I'm showing you guys that I have my HTTP API server running so that I can make requests to create images on DrawThings and on my local device. Now that we have both of these running, what I'll do is I'll click on generate title, generate description, and generate thumbnail prompt. And after a few seconds, what's going to happen is that right now I've made all the API calls to Olama. You can see them running here, and it's going to generate the response based on the prompts that I've already written to generate a title for this video, generate a description for the video, and more importantly, generate a prompt. And that prompt is what I'm going to pass to my DrawThings app, to my AI image model. And that's going to be what I use to generate multiple images. And you'll notice something special here in a few seconds once we have all three of these things running and completed. So let's wait a few seconds. Okay, we have all three responses. You'll notice that it took approximately 1 minute to generate all three of these values. And you'll see here that the title that I came up with was Train AI Art Models for Free, even on your laptop, which I think is a pretty decent title. The description here is learn to train your own AI image generator for free, a nice hook, what you'll learn, why watch the video, and then a response and a call to action at the end. These two responses are a really good starting point, and you can edit them if you need to. And finally, the thumbnail prompt, which is the most interesting one, is that it says a futuristic cityscape at night filled with glowing neon signs and flying cars with free AI image generation overlaid in large, bold, glowing letters. And then Yusef is standing in the foreground looking up at the city with a smile, holding a laptop displaying a vibrant generate image. And so what's super interesting here is two things. Number one is in my prompt, I've made sure that there's always text that's overlaid on the image, because typically when you go on a YouTube channel or a YouTube video, the thumbnails typically have text, and then they have a face of someone, or they have a character or a person standing. And so what I've done is I've trained my own AI model on my own images. And so now I have a trigger word, which is Yusef, and the AI image model knows that it needs to generate images of me whenever it sees the word Yusef. Now, with these two things, I'm getting a pretty decent thumbnail, hopefully. And what I'll do is I'll click on generate. What's going to happen behind the scenes now is if I open my DrawThings app, you'll notice that it's copy pasted the entire text, a futuristic cityscape at night, etc., etc. So it's now generating it with the Flux One Dev model. It's using 28 steps, and the LoRa that it's using is Yusef, right? And the batch size will be 4, so I'll get 4 images. And the LoRa here is Yusef, and that's the one that I trained, downloaded the file, and uploaded it to the DrawThings app. And now we'll have to wait a bit. But once that's done, I'll have 4 options for thumbnails that I can use as the thumbnail for my YouTube video. And I've now automated that entire process instead of going to ChatGPT, continuously asking it for different titles, different descriptions. And obviously, if I don't like any of them, I can just click on the generate button again, and it'll generate it again. And we'll wait for that. But once those thumbnails are generated, I can save this. And now I'll be able to go to the home section and see an entire list of all the videos that I've generated, the thumbnails that I've chosen, etc., etc. Let's wait a few seconds and let's see what type of images the AI models is going to generate with this title. Okay, the images have been generated. Let's have a quick look into the DrawThings app. This is the first image. Looks pretty cool. I think this is supposed to be me. And I don't see any big text, so I don't think it followed the instructions that well. This is the second one, which I think is a lot doper. This looks a lot more like me, although my hair is a bit longer here. But this is very cool. This is another good one. This doesn't look like me at all, but I like the fact that the text has been respected, and it's very funny. And this is a good one as well. These are all really good. And so basically what I can do here is, you'll notice maybe the quality is not that good. I can go and upscale them after that to make sure that it looks really clean and stuff like that. But this is just to give you guys an idea of essentially how I would be able to create my thumbnails, how I would be able to go through the whole process using this app that I've built. So if this is at all something that you guys would want to use, or you guys think that there's something else that I can add, please let me know in the comments. If there's enough demand for it, I'll make this a live product. If not, I'll just keep using this for myself. But yeah, would love to get your feedback. Thank you so much and have a nice day.